Can't even have a girl host starting rumors, but ain't nothing to a star, bitch, I'm Cars Jr. Light a L, I ain't talking loser. I be ballin' Swiss cheese, yeah, call us boozer. I be gassing,
Hello YouTube, and today we're going to show you, well, I'm going to show you, the 2 new cars on GTA that are all available to buy and online, and if you have completed the whole game, available in your garage for all 3 of the players. Now first I'm going to show you the Turismo R, and it looks pretty sweet, man. Yeah, rims are good, you know. Front, pretty sexy, you know. Likes a sexy bitch, man. The back looks like a fucking unibrow, man. Now we're gonna take this thing for a little spin. Driving. Swerve. Now, this thing has pretty good traction and good speed. And I think I'm just going to play around with this thing. Oh god, somebody needs help.
Trust nobody.
Trust nobody.
Hey, you! Get over here!
Beat her.
Please, my car's just over there.
No.
Give me all money.
Okay, now I'm going to be showing you the Jester. This looks like a car off the movie The Fucking Tron. It looks pretty cool. Now, I haven't even tried this car out. Now I'm gonna see how it fucking works. Oh shit. Move out of the way, you wall. Now, driving. Oh yeah, well this traction sucks dick. You know how it is, man. The brakes on this car are pretty good. You know, there's a fucking huge bus right there. You know. And overall this car is okay. Just looks pretty cool. Doesn't let you shoot out of it at all. Just lets you flip people off. And from the overall rating, yeah. Oh, there it goes. Oh, motherfucker. What the fuck, man? Oh, yep, there goes the car. Well, that was the video for these new cars, the Pretty Boss cars. I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.